General Committee 2, which is comprised of local unions in the Smart Rail and Mechanical Department, recently held its convention in Fort Lauderdale. Let's hear from John McCloskey, General Chairperson of General Committee 2, about the important work carried out at the convention.
General Committee 2 represent members, sheet metal worker members, and the freight railroads, all passenger railroads, and the smaller inner city railroads. We also represent not just the sheet metal worker mechanics, but we have operators and we have conductors. Compared to our transportation brothers and sisters who work inside the cars, our work is done for the most part outside the cars. Heavy overhaul work on engines and passenger rail cars, whether it's in the New York subway system, the metro system. We represent all of the workers that actually fix those vehicles. The General Committee 2 holds a convention every 4 years. This year we held it in Fort Lauderdale, and we had over 36 delegates that sat and attended and voted. We had 4 presidents come attend our convention this year. We had a president of the NCF&O, Dean DeVita. We had a president of the Transportation Communication Workers, Artie Maratea, attend. We had President Jeremy Ferguson, Smart Transportation, and we had General President Mike Coleman attend. Having 4 presidents attend our convention this year shows the solidarity that we bring to the table. We are facing billionaire shareholders, and if the unions don't stand together, we're done. When our freight carriers first implemented precision scheduled railroading, PSR as we call it, it was devastating to our members. But we're fighting back. All unions sticking together, we are fighting back. And I have no doubt whatsoever we will win. Amtrak are General Committee 2's biggest railroad. We have 500 members on Amtrak. And we've recently ratified an agreement. It was a 7-year agreement. It was 30% or 34.1% compounded, the highest wages we've ever got for Amtrak. More importantly, we had a coalition that absolutely stuck together. Probably the biggest, in my opinion, the biggest win we have is that we froze the monthly contribution of healthcare for our members for the next 7 years. For the first time ever, we also got 10 weeks of paid parental leave. Never, ever, ever has that happened in the past. Again, we got it because the unions stuck together. We have just ratified a contract on the freight railroads last year. Everyone knows we almost came to a strike last year because of the greed of these shareholders. The biggest concern we had at the time was sick pay. Not one railroad gave us any sick days. But again, sticking together, all unions, we have now secured 4 paid sick days and up to 7, but 4 paid. You can use 3 personal days as sick days now for the first time in our industry. 2023 is a disgrace that these shareholders fought us. But for our members, we stuck together. We have now got our 4 sick days, but it's not enough. And our next round of bargaining is going to come up very soon. We need more than 4 sick days. We need better pay, and we need safety regulations.
This is our time to make our voices heard on behalf of our union brothers and sisters who work as bus and transit operators. That's what union solidarity is, standing together to improve the lives of working people through our collective strength. When we fight for our brothers and sisters today, we fortify our union for tomorrow. Thank you for watching Smart News. Solidarity forever.